Welcome to Warehouse ID Tips and Tricks Part 2. I'm Thomas from RackID. In today's video, we're going to share with you again some of our knowledge in better labeling and identification. So rack labels should be as durable as possible, right? Yes, these ones are abrasion and liquid resistant, so they can handle whatever your warehouse throws at them, even in freezing temperatures. Not only are these labels durable, but they're also sustainable, because they are made from PET, which is a recyclable plastic. That's it for today. Join me next time for a look at color coding as a label feature. I'll see you then.